Okay, let's take a look at another New England basement. This is one where I cleaned up. You have to, right? You always see me in this fieldstone foundation and cement, like fieldstone foundation is basically ledge. So what you can do, not everywhere, but you see how this looks pretty clean? It's still a basement. Maybe you can't finish it. However, what you can do is reappoint, right? So number one is reappoint, cover all the holes, make sure the cement looks really, really good. What's this? Oh wow, it looks like a gas meter, right? So reappoint, that's your gas line, right? This is how your gas gets fed into the house. But reappoint, clean everything up. Then what I like to do is you could change these windows, right? Now it's all nice and clean. Stop any water intrusion. Want to make sure that you change your bulkhead doors, right? So you want to eliminate, clean it up. There's a PVC going over the top of that center so the water doesn't come inside, right? That is your number one goal, is get this water out of here. Then what you can do is paint the floor. When you paint the floor, it's usually going to be pretty good because you literally just make it look much prettier, and then you can make yourself a nice laundry area. Still utilizing the basement, you want to come down here, do whatever. Furnace, right? Brand new furnace. Your gas line, right, comes in, and everything looks pretty good. Cement filled lally columns, which is what you want to see. This is your cast iron pipe that's going out. It's obviously been painted. Sump pump, right, going out right back into the street. So if water levels rise, it goes out. And then you got your gas going to your water heater as well. And then you got your water coming into the house. So this is how you could clean up a New England basement. If you want to go ahead and consider a cleanup like this, you could reach out. We'll figure out what it's going to take to do. Or if you just simply want to sell a house and you don't know what to do with the basement, I would do something like this.